How are you all today? I hope you all are very good. So dear all, do you know what is this today? Which day is today? Today is Saturday, the last day of week, and tomorrow will be holiday. And what is the date today? This is 9th October 2021. Yes, dear all. So, let's start our morning prayer. Okay. You all know what we do in morning prayer? We stand in attention position and join our hands and start the prayer. Let's start, dear all. Father, we thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care, for all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good, in all we do in work or play, to grow more loving every day. Once again, I am repeating this for you only, okay? Otherwise, we'll recite it only once. Father, we thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care, for all that make the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should, to be to others kind and good, in all we do in work or play, to grow more loving every day. Yes, dear, this was our morning prayer. You all have to listen it daily and carefully so that you will remember soon properly. Okay? And now this is the time for morning pledge. Okay? So, national pledge. To start the national pledge, we have to stand in the attention position and take out your right hand like this and start the national pledge. Okay, start. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its varied and heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all my elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Yes, dear. This was the national pledge. I have something very interesting for you. As you are seeing, can you see what is this? This is a tree. Yes, dear all. This is a tree. And what we will do with this tree? We will play an activity, tear and paste. Which activity? Tear and paste. I already draw this tree. You also have to draw in your page, any sheet you can take like this, okay, and draw a tree, okay, like this, and then this is the trunk of tree and this is the tree, the green side of tree, the leaves and all. Okay, so first of all, what will we do? I have these papers what I already tore by this sheet, green colored sheet. Okay, and what I am going to do, I already draw the picture of tree, so you also have to make a tree on this type sheet. आप लोगों को भी ऐसी एक ट्री बना लेनी है, ऐसे बना लेना है एक शीट पर. एंड देन what we'll have to do, we will have to color it. ये ब्रांच, ये जो ट्रंक है, ये आपने देखा है ना ट्री का कैसा होता है, ये होता है ब्राउन कलर का. ओके, सो व्हाट विल हैव टू डू, वी विल हैव टू यहाँ पे इसको हम लोग फिल कर लेंगे इस तरह से. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर, हल्के हाथ से लाइटली we will fill it and carefully like this. We have to do it very carefully. That color shouldn't move outside. Which color is this? This is brown color. Okay, the trunk of tree is in brown color. Okay, you can see how am I doing. The border of line, you have to be careful over here that it should not. देखो मेरा चला गया है ना, क्योंकि मैं मोबाइल में देख कर कर रही हूँ. Yes, so dear all, look at this picture. I already completed this portion and now we will do this portion. So for this portion, because we are activity, this is activity for tear and paste. So I already tore some pieces of green paper. Okay, because this portion will be in green color. Okay, and because we are doing tear and paste, so I already applied some glue on this portion. Now what we will do, we will paste some these pieces. This I already tore off. So these pieces we will apply on this portion like this, what I already told. So you all have to do this carefully, one by one, like this. Okay, and because I already applied the glue, this will become dry in few minutes. So I'm doing it a little fast. So you also have to do like this. Okay, I hope you all understood what we are doing. What are we doing? Okay, so as you're seeing, I hope you all are seeing, and we have to do like this. This is our tear and paste. ये टीयर्ड पेपर है, ऑलरेडी टोर ऑफ कर लिया मैंने इसको, और हम लोग अब इसको क्या कर रहे हैं, पेस्ट कर रहे हैं. ओके, लाइक दिस वी विल पेस्ट इट, this. Okay, like this. I'm doing a little fast because I already applied it. You see how am I doing or understanding? जहाँ जहाँ पे हमको खाली प्लेस दिख रहा है ना, वहाँ पे वी विल अप्लाई द पीसेस. ओके, लाइक दिस. हाउ इज दिस लुकिंग? Wow, this will look very beautiful after finishing. Okay, आप लोगों को इस एक्टिविटी में ना मज़ा बहुत आने वाला है. यू ऑल विल लाइक दिस. यस डियर ऑल, दिस इज़ अबाउट टू कंप्लीट. बड़ा मज़ा आने वाला है आपको जब आप लोग इसको देखेंगे कि हाउ इज़ दिस. यस, सो जहाँ जहाँ पे एम्प्टी दिख रहा है वहाँ पे पेस्ट द पीस ऑफ पेपर. Look at this. Make it like this. This is our tear and paste activity. Which activity? Tear and paste activity. So dear all, I hope you all will also do this at your home. Okay.